Excuse me, sir, are you Arab? Where are you from?
I'm Arab.
No, you're not!
Then what am I?
Oh my God! I'm black! You're Arab! Why are you doing the cross? You're Arab!
Kat mabreshok analewin arabaya ya bronet kelwa.
What are you reading?
No English.
Español?
Si.
Francés?
Oui.
African? Arabi?
أنا مشي عربي. أنا أمازيغ.
Nice to meet you. I'm Kurdish.
Aren't you Arab?
Sit down. Let me explain.
سلام بابا
Are
چطوری؟
you speaking Arabic?
What did you say, Koskish?